Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to block someone on PayPal. Blocking someone on PayPal can save you from a lot of headaches. Here's why it's so useful. First, it protects you from unwanted payments or requests. Once blocked, that person can't send you money, request payments, or even message you through PayPal. Secondly, it helps prevent scams. If someone's acting suspicious or trying to pressure you into a transaction, blocking them instantly cuts off their access to you. Thirdly, it gives you a peace of mind. Whether it can be an ex-client, a spammer, or someone you just don't want to deal with, blocking ensures they can't bother you anymore. And the best part is, it's super quick and easy to do. First of all you have to do is open your PayPal app on your phone. Once the app is opened, you will see Send/Request button on the bottom center of your screen. Click on Send Request and then you'll be able to see two sections, Send and Request. All you have to do is go to the Request section and then you'll be able to see the list of all the people that you have made transaction with in PayPal in the past. So you can select any contact that you want to block, or you can also type the name on the top search bar. Once you found the person that you want to block on PayPal, all you have to do is click the I or the information button in front of the name. A new page will open. On this new page, you will be able to see all of the activity, the previous activity or the past activity, for example, the transactions, everything will show up on this page. And you will also see two different buttons, report and block. So all you have to do is click on the block button, obviously to block that person. Once you click on block, it will again ask you, do you really want to block that person, for the confirmation. If you really want to block that person, all you have to do is click on block again and you have successfully blocked someone else on PayPal. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.